Yeah, I'm Patrick. I'm working with sales and marketing at Tentipi, and this is our factory. This is where we produce event tents in Sweden. This is the only factory where everybody knows to produce the full range of the event assortment. And in this factory we are 5 people working with production. Only 5 people working with production. And finance and marketing and sales. So this is where we cut the product. And then we have different stations to put them together. And here is Matt making a stratus. We roll out the canvas and we cut it to the patterns that we have, and then we stitch them together in a system. Even the big stratus that is 10 meters diameter, we can put together in these tables. And we also have a station where we have the sewing machine down, so we can use the floor. So we can have the sewing machine lowered down and use the floor as a table.
Hi, my name's Ed. I'm from Tentipi UK and Tentipi USA in Australia. Just bringing my customers together from all over the world in one place. They come together as competition winners with a competition that we run every year, and the prize winners get invited on to the Tentipi Adventure, which we're on now, to come experience true outdoor living, sleeping in the teepees, eating outdoors, skidooing, fishing, just enjoying experiences together and sharing a most incredible time.
Make it big, man.
Now we are in Moskosel, and this is an authentic family farming home from late 1800, beginning of 1900. This is how people lived during that time. They had a small house, timber, and they had a barn, so they had a horse, or they shared the horse between the houses in the village. And they had 3-4 cows, some hens, some sheep. And then the river is just behind the hill, so it was plenty of fish. And there was some fish somehow. So this is not survived in Africa because there were no other way.